What's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. We did it again. I got another boat off Facebook Marketplace. Let's catch some fish, see if this thing could float. Let's see if this boat could boat. All right guys, Facebook Marketplace boat number 2. Let's see if the tires blow up. They're blowing up. Sweet. Holding air. Nice. Nice aluminum. She looks solid. Comes with two free tires. Tow this thing with the car. Let's take her to the house and get this thing cleaned out. Nasty. Big old piece of glass. She's flowing. There she goes. It's getting better, guys. It's pretty gross. All right, I got her flipped over. I don't see any holes, barely any dents, a few scratches. It's normal. Man, she is nice. Day 2 of the build. It's not too bad. The trailer needs more work than the boat. We scored on that boat, man. It's crazy. It sat where it was for the past 30 years. Last time it was out on the water. Nothing serious. I took this carpet from my mom's backyard. I hope she doesn't get too mad. From her patio. Need a new blade, guys. Sorry, Mom. Okay, guys, this is bent down too much. I don't know what happened, but I have to bend it back up. So I'm gonna put this bottle jack underneath and see if I can't bend this baby back up. I think that'll do. We'll have to replace this rope too and get a different hook, like a locking something. Okay guys, let's see if this part matches up with the boat. I'm gonna paint the trailer. I'm just gonna use spray paint for now until I register the boat. I hate painting stuff with spray paint because it just looks so, I don't know, not clean. I spent a couple $100 on this sprayer. I use it to paint my Harley, the Chevy, and a couple other things, but we're just gonna use spray paint for now until we could register the boat, because I don't feel like putting all the time and money into it. You gotta pull the new.
All the kids.
Yippee! A boom.
Hey.
I can already picture myself fishing, catching a huge 10-pound bass. Can't wait. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Plane going by. Thanks for sticking around. We got the deck built. I just have to carpet it. We're gonna put some hinges on it so I can open it and use it as storage. That's it for part 1. Stick around for part 2. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.